Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be coloring some clip-ins and a drawstring ponytail from Kinkistry. Keep on watching. So if you are not new to my channel, then you already know that I am absolutely obsessed with Kinkistry clip-ins, wigs, drawstring ponytails. And now that I have colored my hair, I don't want those things to go to waste. So we are going to color them so that they match this new color that I have. If you have not seen the video where I colored my hair from black to copper, link that up above, make sure that you check it out. But in today's video, we're gonna do some coloring. This is my first time dyeing any extensions, so wish me luck. We are using some box dyes. Let me show you what we're gonna be using. So this is the box dye that we are using. This is the Dark and Lovely Fade Resist hair color. This is in the color Vivacious Red, number 394. Now this is not the color that I use to color my natural hair. I use the Clairol Natural Instincts Bold in the color Copper Sunset, but this is what I'm using for the extensions. Hoping that it blends with my natural hair. So let's get right into it. Again, we are going to be coloring drawstring ponytail as well as some kinky straight clip-ins from Kinkistry. So let me show you what they look like. So I've used these several times. I'll link the videos up above. These have been in the bag for a little bit. So this is my drawstring ponytail. Did not wash it first because we are gonna color it, so we are gonna wash it after coloring, but this is what the ponytail looks like now. And then we're also going to color our kinky straight clip-ins. The last time I used these clip-ins, we did a, what did I do? A flexi rod set. So here are clip-ins. So we are back with the reveal. I did go in and co-wash the clip-ins as well as the drawstring ponytail, let it air dry overnight. We're back to show you the color. So this is what the ponytail is looking like after using the Dark and Lovely color. So it's definitely going to match my hair. So make sure you stay tuned for the video for this. It looks kind of dark on camera, but it actually colored really good. I'll insert a picture of what the clip-ins look like originally compared to how they are now, but I'm very pleased at the outcome. Now the clip-ins. So I only had 2 boxes of the Dark and Lovely, and I ended up using them both on the ponytail. So for the clip-ins, I had to use something different. So let me show you what I used. So for the clip-ins, I ended up using the L'Oreal High Color in the color Sizzling Copper. So I used these 2 boxes, and then I added the L'Oreal 30 Volume Developer. So I used half a bottle of this, these 2, mixed them together in a bowl, and I applied them the exact same way that I did with the Dark and Lovely color. So let me show you what the clip-ins look like. So the clip-ins definitely came out a lot lighter than the ponytail. So I'll definitely be using the L'Oreal color from now on. Again, clip-ins are co-wash. Cannot wait to install these. So again, make sure you're subscribed. Post notifications are turned on so that you don't miss these uploads of the ponytail and these clip-ins. So this is going to be a perfect match. Cannot wait to style these. Trying to decide what style I want to do with these. Let me know in the comment section below what style you want to see me do with these Kinkistry clip-ins from Kinkistry. This is actually the Kinkistry pattern. The drawstring ponytail is the Coilistic. Let me get the ponytail so you can see the difference between the 2. So here are the clip-ins. Here is the ponytail. Ponytail is definitely a lot darker than the clip-ins, but I think they both came out great, so I can't wait to install these. I do have a few clip-ins that I did not color because there wasn't enough. So let me get those so that you can see what the original looks like. This is what the clip-ins look like before coloring, and this is what they look like after coloring. So side by side, you can really see the difference. So if you have some Kinkistry extensions, you definitely can customize them to the color that you want. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.